Hey guys, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about the top 3 expected features of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus that have me excited, and I think it has other people excited as well. So number 1 of these features is the stereo speakers that we're gonna find on the S9 and the S9 Plus. Now, this may or may not matter to some people. If you are somebody that is always using a headphone or an earphone to listen to music or watch videos, stereo speakers might not matter to you. Now, I'm one of those guys that rarely uses an earphone or a headphone for my smartphones, and if I'm quickly watching a YouTube video or if I'm quickly listening to some kind of music on the go, I'm always using stereo speakers for that purpose. So for somebody like me, the stereo speakers are going to be absolutely an amazing addition. And of course, the other thing is, if you do want to use earphones, if you do want to use headphones, the 3.5 millimeter jack is going to be retained on the S9 and the S9 Plus, so no worries. You're getting the headphone jack and you're getting the stereo speakers. Now, the stereo speakers are going to be tuned by AKG, and you may or you may not know this, but the Samsung's latest tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3, in fact has stereo speakers with AKG tuning, and they sound quite alright. So yeah, that's feature number 1. Stereo speakers is going to be a fantastic feature for me to look forward to. The other thing is something that I'm excited about but not quite sure. It's called the intelligent scan feature. Now, this is a rumored feature. We have a little bit evidence here and there, but not too much, but I think it's gonna happen. So basically what intelligent scan is it is the combination of the iris scanner and facial recognition technology. Okay, so it's gonna use both of these biometrics tools to create one unified security option to unlock your smartphone. The benefits is going to be, it's going to work quicker, it's going to be more secure, and of course it's also going to work much better in bright light and darkness, okay, which is something that the iris scanner has struggled with, but apparently with this intelligent scan, by combining your facial features and your irises, it's going to be very quick and easy to unlock your smartphone. That's not to say there's anything wrong with the iris scan, but you do have to align the iris scan on the S8, S8 Plus, Note 8 properly to unlock the phone. But when you combine the facial recognition and when you combine the iris scanner, the alignment might be a little bit better. So you may be able to unlock your phone even you look at it like this, or like this. I hope that is one of the features of the intelligent scan. But the massive 3 things with that is, number 1 is going to be higher security. Number 2 is going to be better functionality in bright light and darkness. And of course, number 3 is just going to be faster. Alright, so the third and the final thing that has me excited is the camera. So basically, we don't have much evidence on how good the camera is going to be, obviously, because we don't have the phone in our hands yet. But if you look at Samsung's teaser for the release date of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus for March 25th, you'll see that they're actually concentrating on the camera. They're saying that the camera is going to be reimagined. This is directly from Samsung, which leaves a big question mark as to how good this camera is going to be. Now, there's nothing wrong with the camera on the S8 or the S8 Plus. As a matter of fact, even the S7 has a great camera. But we know that there's other phones out there in the market, such as the Google Pixel 2 XL, that have better cameras than the S8 and the S8 Plus and the iPhones in certain conditions. So it is obvious that there's always room for improvement. What I want to do is I want to see a camera that will in fact beat the Pixel 2 XL. So that is a possibility, They're touting the camera as something that is going to be amazing. They're saying it's been reimagined, and of course that is partially marketing to get you excited, but Samsung is known to deliver, so that is the third thing that has me excited. All right, so those are three things: the stereo speakers, the intelligent scan, and the new camera that Samsung is really teasing us about. So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to drop a link down below and let me know what is your most favorite feature of the Samsung Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus. You can also let me know which one you're going to get, and just give me some details, and just drop any comment or concern down below. And of course, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you hate it, if you despise SAKITECH. But I will see you in the next video. And of course, if you do use Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, make sure to follow me at SAKITECH Online. Guys, have a fantastic day.